If you are still creating PowerPoint presentations manually, then you are missing out. These are few of the slides I created earlier. Look at it. Look at the quality of this slide, the detail it created, and it just created from one single prompt. I never had to do anything else. This is a straightforward output, whatever I received earlier, whatever I'm showing in the screen now. So this is the way you will be also able to generate PowerPoint presentations very quickly just using a prompt. Let me show you all the process and procedures this video only. So this is the interface of Gamma, and that's the application we are going to use to generate our PowerPoint presentation. So here you can see there is one option, create new, and that's to using AI. And once you click on it, you will be able to see these three options. And if I now click on generate, this is the option using only a single prompt. You will be able to generate your PowerPoint presentation. Now presentation is selected and that's the default one. Now here you can see there are three drop down. If I click on the first one, you can see 8 to 10 cards I can create using a free plan. Currently I'm using a free plan. I'll continue with 8 cards for now. Second option is the aspect ratio of the slide pack. I'll continue with the traditional. So this is the 16:9 widescreen PowerPoint presentation. I'll select this one. And then third one is the language. Here also there are multiple different options. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the number of languages they support. But for benefit of everyone, I'll continue with English. Here is the option where you can write your own prompt. They are also showing you some more examples using which also you can start building your presentation. I'll click on this second option and let's see how it creates. So if I click on it, then it just pasted a ready-made prompt here. So that's the way you can start generating. Now, if I click on generate outline, then AI will generate the outline of the entire presentation. You can see slide by slide, it created all the content. Few of the options are available here. You can change anything like this 40%. If you want to make 50%, that edit you can do. Second is, if you want to delete this slide altogether, you can click on this particular option to delete this entire card. If you need to reorder any of the slide, you can just click here and drag it upwards. So the slide number 5 will come before slide number 4. So this is the way you will be able to edit any of your content. Now if I scroll down, if I want to add additional card or additional slide, that I will be able to do from here. The next one is you can choose a theme for your presentation. There are few of the options available here, but if I click on view more, you will be able to see a list of all those presentations which are available. Look at this. This is now an exhaustive list available. If I just click on this one, so this will be the way your presentations will look like. So this is the preview it's showing. And I'll continue with this one, blues. And let me click on select theme. Next one is content. Here you can see amount of text. If you want a brief text, medium or detailed, that you can select. And next one is a very important option, that is AI images. If you see, it's mentioned image shows. If I click on this drop down, there are multiple different options. I'll click on AI images. Another option is here available, that is which AI model it will use to generate your images. There are multiple different options. For now, I'll continue with Luma. If I just type here, ultra photorealistic photos, that I'm looking for. You can see there are 360 credits available. You need to understand a bit more. Whenever first time you create Gamma ID, there you will be getting 400 credits. As of now, that's the way it is working. So you will be getting 400 credits. Now to generate this particular slide, it normally costs you 40 credits, which means whenever you will be first time create your ID, you will be able to create nearly 10 different slide packs, right? I will add 2 links in the video description. If you are planning to use it for free and you are just trying to evaluate, then you can use the first link where you will be getting 200 additional credits, and I will also get 200 additional credits as part of the referral program. Now once your ID will be created, you can also extend it to any of your friends and both of you will get 200 credits each. Now that will help you to create 10 more presentations, right? So that's one way. Now second one is they have a paid plan also. I will give another link using which if you take a paid plan, it's nearly 500 rupees per month in India, and in your country you can also see once you click on the link that how much it's showing. using that you will be able to get certain discounts if you using that link. That will be an affiliate link. I may earn some of the commissions but without any additional cost to you. Now coming back, if I now click on generate, now it will start generating the presentation for us. Step by step it will generate and you will be able to see the entire progress. Look at this. It's creating that presentation on the fly and you are able to see the progress. So this is the way Gamma creates your PowerPoint presentation, and that too that effortlessly. Now let me show you few of the options that what you can do within this particular console to fine tune your presentation. First of all, let me show you one very simple option. That is, if you go to share, if you come to export, you will be able to export it as a PowerPoint presentation. And there, if you are comfortable in PowerPoint, there you can continue your edit and you will be able to build on top of it. Now I opened that presentation which we just created. You can see this is the quality it generated without any fine tuning. You can see this is the quality it generated. If you have the right prompt ready and if you have the idea, then you can just write it and it will create this presentation for you. So hopefully this will be helpful and you will be able to create stunning PowerPoint presentations very quickly. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. If you want to also talk to me directly, there is one option available now using the fan call app. I have added one link for that app also. If you want to block my calendar and talk to me directly for any reason, that also you can do. Earlier, I also published multiple videos in this channel covering multiple different ways to create PowerPoint presentation using generative AI. Check out this video where I shown another method and that will also be helpful for you.